Welcome everyone. Let's delve into the Lenovo ThinkPad T490s, a 14-inch business laptop known for its legacy keyboard, a robust build, and security features. Released in 2019. We'll explore its capabilities and see if it remains a viable option for users in 2024. We'll analyze its design, performance, feature, and conclude if the T490s still holds its own in today's market. The ThinkPad T490s embodies the classic ThinkPad design philosophy, a utilitarian black chassis constructed from a magnesium aluminum alloy. This prioritizes durability and military-grade toughness, ensuring it can withstand the bumps and bruises of on-the-go business life. While some might find the design a touch dated compared to sleeker laptops, its focus is on functionality and build-to-last quality, a hallmark of the ThinkPad series. Rest assured, it can handle the wear and tear of everyday use. The T490s features a 14-inch Full HD IPS display, while not the highest resolution compared to newer laptops boasting higher pixel densities. It offers a good balance between sharpness and performance for everyday business tasks. Documents, emails, and presentation will appear clear. Colors are accurate enough for most users, though not ideal for professional content creators requiring exceptional color fidelity. Viewing angles are excellent thanks to the IPS panel technology, minimizing color shifting and distortion for clear visibility when collaborating with colleagues. One of the unchallenged strengths of the ThinkPad series is the legendary keyboard, and the T490s is no exception. It boasts a spear-resistant backlit keyboard with a satisfying key drawer. Many users swear by the ThinkPad keyboard layout and the inclusion of signature red point navigation caters to those who prefer this alternative navigation method over the touchpad. The touchpad itself is spacious and responsive, supporting multi-touch gesture for smooth navigation. The T490s came equipped with various configurations with common options featuring Intel Core i5 or Core i7 processors from the 8th generation, paired with 8GB to 16GB of RAM. In 2024, the specs fall behind the last offerings, while the T490s can still handle everyday business tasks like managing emails, presentations, and video conferencing with ease. Users with demanding workload like video editing, complex data analysis, or multitasking with heavy applications might find this configuration limiting. Here's a breakdown considering 2024 usage. Light to moderate tasks, the T490s remain competent for browsing, emailing, document editing, and basic photo editing. Demanding workload, if you work involved video editing, 3D modeling, or complex data analysis, consider a newer laptop with a more recent processor generation, ideally 11th generation or newer, and increased RAM 16GB or more for demanding multitasking. Security is paramount for business laptop, and the T490s prioritizes it. It's integrated as a fingerprint reader for secure login and a trusted platform module chip for data encryption. Additionally, a webcam privacy shutter provides further peace of mind. These features remain relevant in 2024, protecting your data on the go. The T490s boasts a versatile port selection: two USB-A port, two USB-C port, one with Thunderbolt 3 support, an HDMI port, an audio jack, and a micro SD card reader. This ensures seamless connection with peripherals, external displays, and storage devices. For wireless connectivity, you get Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5 capabilities. While not the latest Wi-Fi standard, Wi-Fi 5 should suffice. While the ThinkPad T490s might not be the absolute cutting edge in 2024, it can still be a valuable option for specific users. Budget-conscious business professionals, if you prioritize a durable, secure laptop for for everyday tasks like email, web browsing, document editing, and basic video conferencing. The T490s offer a reliable and cost-effective solution, especially if you find a good deal on a used model. For students who require a dependable laptop for note-taking, research, and light multitasking, the T490s comfortable keyboard and solid build quality make it a compelling choice, especially if durability is a concern. Those who value security, the security feature like fingerprint reader, T-preamp chip, and webcam shutter make the T490s suitable for users who handle sensitive information. Can it handle program? The answer depends on the type of programming you do. Basic coding and development. For learning to code or working on less demanding projects, the T490s with Core i5 and 8GB of RAM should suffice. Complex programming and development. For intensive tasks like game development, machine learning, or working with large datasets, the T490s 8th generation processor might struggle. In such cases, consider a newer laptop with a more recent processor generation and at least 6GB of RAM. The Lenovo ThinkPad T490s remains a solid laptop known for its durability, security feature, and legendary keyboard, while the 8th generation processor put it behind the latest offerings in terms of raw performance. It can still handle everyday business tasks and basic programming well. Here a quick recap. Strengths: durable build, comfortable keyboard, security feature, good selection of ports. Weaknesses: outdated processor generation compared to 2024 standards, limited upgradability such as RAM solder. The ThinkPad T490s might not be the ideal choice for everyone in 2024, especially power users or those who need the latest processing muscle. However, for the budget-conscious professionals, students, or those prioritizing durability, security, and a great typing experience, the T490s can still be a valuable option, especially if you find a used model at a good price. So, is the Lenovo ThinkPad T490s the right laptop for you? Let us know in the comment below what your priorities are in the laptop, and if your programmer share what kind of development work you do. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channels for more tech reviews and discussion, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. We'll see you in the next one.